Oh, hello, beautiful people and Linux fans. I hope I find you well wherever you are. And today I hope this is going to be a really short video. I am really interested, and I know many of you are really wondering, is it possible and how easy it is to install and run the DaVinci Resolve on Bazzite? As you can see, this is the latest version of Bazzite 43, the NVIDIA version. So let's see, it's supposed to be a very easy install. We need a terminal for this, of course. And from what I hear, the only thing that we need is just type you just install dash resolve, hit enter. We have the option to choose install upgrade DaVinci box or uninstall it. Of course, we are going to install it. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Okay, so I guess we are going to need the downloaded file. Luckily, I think I have one. Just give me a second. Okay, so I really do have the downloaded version of the DaVinci Resolve. This is 19.1.2. I am not sure if this is the latest version, but I don't think that, well, that's what it matters. You can, of course, go ahead and download it. Search for download DaVinci Resolve. This is the very first that comes out from Blackmagic. Just navigate to the bottom, download Linux, but you have to register for an account. It is free. Of course, if you want to use the paid version, that's okay. So that's it. Download it from here, place it in the /home folder or in the downloads folder. This is the downloads folder for me, so let's go ahead and try one more time. Yes, yes. Okay. Let's see what happens. All right, so far so good. I think this is going to take a little while, so I'll see you guys in a second. All right, this actually took a few minutes to download the needed files to set up the container and install the DaVinci Resolve, but it's already done. As you can see, we already have an icon here. Let's click it. All right. And we have a working DaVinci Resolve 19. That is awesome. I love it. Okay, so that was really easy. This is going to be all for now. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it from me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.